Hi superstars, good morning and welcome to our Wednesday's math session. This week, boys and girls, we've been practicing skip counting, and we know that skip counting is a part of addition because when we skip count forward, we add numbers each time, okay? Now, this week we've been practicing to skip count by 2s, by 5s and by 10s, and I think there might have been a little challenge for you yesterday to also skip count by 3s. Okay, now today we are going to practice skip counting patterns, but guess what? You're going to get to create your very own skip counting patterns, which is awesome. Okay, so over here with me, I have a page ready to go where I am going to create my own skip counting patterns. Okay, now down here in blue is the rule. That's telling me what I need to skip count by. Okay. This rule needs me to follow a skip counting pattern by tens. So I'm going to do that now, and I'm going to create my very own skip counting pattern with your help. Okay. Now, I already know how to skip count confidently by tens from 0. Okay, I can do that. 0, 10, 20, 30, and so on. All right. So if I'm really confident about that, I'm not going to do that one, okay? I know how to do that already, and I want to challenge myself, okay? Because I want to get better. So I've chosen to start from a larger number. I've chosen to start from the number 76. You need to think about what you need to learn, and you need to be honest with yourself, okay? If you need to start from a lower number, please do that. Okay, if you think you have already done that and you know how to, and you think you are confident to try something new, then you can. Okay, today I'm starting from the number 76. Now, I know that when we skip count by tens, the one's digit will stay the same in each number. But the tens column will change, and it will get bigger by 1 each time. Okay? So if I know that, I might be confident to have a go at counting my skip counting pattern and placing the numbers down, but I just want to be sure. Now I know I have to skip count by 10, so from 76, I'm going to count 10 more and see what I get, okay? So 76, I want you to count with me 10 more. 76 is in my head, put it in yours. 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86. Okay, so I had 76, 10 more is 86. See how the ones digit stays the same and the tens digit changes. It gets bigger by 1 every time. Now that I can see the pattern, I think I'm ready to have a go without having to count on each time. Okay, and if you think you are confident, you can try that as well. I want you to count along with me now to see what numbers we need. 76, 86, 96. Oh, okay, now I'm stuck. 96. Okay, now I'm a bit stuck because I'm going to cross over 100. So maybe I need to count on. 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106. Okay, so 96, 106. Okay, I'm adding 10 each time. It's so important that you are writing how many we jump. 106. I then know 116. 126. 136. Now I'm going to double check because I'm a mathematician, and when we're mathematicians we always double check, sometimes even triple check. So count with me. 76, 86, 96, 106, 116, 126, 136. I actually don't need that in here. Okay. Alright, so I have just completed my very own skip counting pattern by tens. Okay, excellent. Now I can move on. And this pattern is telling me it wants me to skip count by fives. That's the rule. Okay, now you need to think about what you need. Remember, if you would like to, if you think you need to start with smaller numbers, please do that. Okay, if you think you need to start with larger numbers, you can do that. Okay, I'm going to start with the number 31. Okay, now when we skip count by fives, we have to add 5 each time. When we skip counted by tens, we had to add 10 each time. Okay, so let's add 5 to 31. 31 in my head, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. Okay. Okay, so I haven't added 10, I've added 5. Cross that out. Alright, so 31, 36. Now I'm going to add 5 more. 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41. So 31, 36, 41. I wonder if you have noticed what the pattern is here. Have a look at the ones column. It goes from a 1 to a 6 to a 1. I wonder what's going to be next in the ones column. Let's check. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46. Now I think I'm confident enough to give this a go because I have noticed the pattern. So it goes 46. I know that 5 more is going to have a 1 in the column, and it's going to have to be 51, then 56. Let's check if I was right. 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51. Yep. And 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56. So I have just completed a skip counting pattern by fives. All right. It's now your turn, boys and girls. I want you to go to the files section and find the Wednesday activity. You are going to complete your very own skip counting patterns. Have a look to see what the rule is, and you need to make sure that you are making up your own skip counting pattern and using those strategies. Okay, you might even have a hundredths chart you can look at. Okay. You might need to use your counting on strategy like we've been doing. All right, boys and girls. And make sure you have a look to see what those patterns are. Find patterns in your pattern. Find patterns in your pattern. Sounds silly. Okay, like we did, where I noticed that in the skip counting by fives pattern, the ones column was going from a 1 to a 6 to a 1 to a 6 to a 1 to a 6. Okay. All right, good luck, boys and girls. Have fun and send your work through to me when you're finished. Bye.